I'm going to do a kind of a short, quick video. Carter used various types of valves, and this is 4 of the ones that I've found in there. Most popular one is this here. You'd see this mushroom part. There's a spring, and then the valve. That's the most common. These ones here are ones that, well, where this goes, there's a triangle. I should have grabbed one before I started this. There's a seat area that this sits in, and if for some reason it gets broken, the casting gets broken, then people will jam this in there. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then we have this one here. It's usually on Chrysler products, but it's one of the most baffling. There's also another design that has just 3 legs. It's a little bit tougher, but it's all along the same idea. This is the seat that's in there, and the spring, and chances are you have one of these phenolic seats, and over a period of time the spring wears a mark in it, and you end up with a leak. Not because of that, but just the age of it. Something will get stuck under there, or it just doesn't seal right. This video is more about changing that there. And these ones are pretty straightforward. If you get a kit, this is our design. You have a conical spring with a rivet, and the seal goes on top of that, and this goes down into where that would go. It works. We've used it for a number of years. Never had a problem unless it's installed incorrectly. But in any event, you're not going to reuse this if you have that design. If you have these ones jammed in there, you got a problem. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I get these ones here apart and put it back together. You have to get something that's going to sit right on this edge to allow that to come out, allow that center seat to come out of there. What I do is I'll set it in a vise and support it like this. Get a rather thin screwdriver. Put it down on the side in between these 2 legs on either side, and just start tapping back and forth, and it'll work that out. It'll eventually knock this seat out. Your screwdriver fits just down enough so that it gets it knocked out of there. Save the spring, throw away the valve, because in the kit you're going to get that for a valve. Easy to put together. Set the spring in. Set the valve in. And press them together. I just put it down on a nice flat surface. and gently tap it down. And you should be able to blow air through this and not suck air back out. And this one here worked. And now I've got two spares. So if you run into one of these valves, if your pump has this style, once you get the casting open, once you take off that top piece, that's what you see. This top piece meaning this. Once this comes apart, you'll see that, and you'll see that. Just tap down on that and it'll knock the valve out. Same thing with this side. Just go real easy and you'll unpress it. That's about it. If you got any problems with it, leave something in the comments below. And if you'd like to order a kit for your pump to rebuild it, give us a call at 781-335-8860 on the web, then-now.com. If I confuse you at all, leave a message for me. Click on the subscribe. Don't forget the little notification bell. And thanks for watching. Be safe out there.